My name is Madhushekhar Naik, sir. I have completed PG MA Economics, sir. I have 5 years experience, sir. I am already teacher to economics lecturer, sir. Economics lecturer also. First, I am goes to our Indian constitution topic, sir. First of all, our Indian constitution has the world biggest constitution, sir. World biggest constitution. Why? Because 395 articles, sir, 8 schedules, sir, 22 parts, sir. 22 parts, sir, in that time. But now, present our Indian constitution has the 440 articles, sir, and 12 schedules, sir. 12 schedules, sir, and 25 parts, sir. 25 parts, sir. In our Indian government has the formed to the 3 levels, sir. How many levels, sir? 3 levels, sir. Those are first one has the central government, sir. First one has the central government, sir. Second one has the state government. Second one has the state government. Third one has the local government, sir. Third one has the local government. Central government. What is the central government? Central government has the commonly union government. As well as the commonly union government, sir. Union government. Union government means parliament, sir. Union government means parliament, sir. Parliament. What is the parliament? Parliament means they have most important 2 houses, sir. 2 houses, sir. Those are first one, sir. Lok Sabha. First one, Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha means lower house, sir. Lok Sabha means lower house. Rajya Sabha has the upper house, sir. Rajya Sabha has the upper house, sir. Rajya Sabha has the upper house. Lok Sabha. In Lok Sabha, there are maximum 550 members, sir. In Lok Sabha, in our Indian Parliament, in Lok Sabha, maximum 550 members, sir. Maximum 330 members have the 330 members from the states, sir. From the states. 20 members are the from the UTs. UTs means Union Territories, sir. UTs means Union Territories, sir. Union Territory. Next, second one has the level. Second, in our government has the 3 levels, sir. First one the second central government, sir. Second one has the state government, sir. Third one has the local government, sir. Local government. The central government has the union government, sir. Union government has the as well as the central government. Central government is a union government. Union government it means parliament, sir. Parliament has the 2 houses, sir. One is the Lok Sabha. Second one is the Rajya Sabha, sir. I will explain to the Lok Sabha, and the second one is the second one is the Rajya Sabha, sir. Rajya Sabha means upper house, sir. Rajya Sabha means upper house. In Rajya Sabha, how many members of the Rajya Sabha? In our parliament, 250 members, sir. In our Indian Parliament, Rajya Sabha members are elected. Vote to elected members are the 250 members, sir. 250 members, sir. 12 members are the nominated. 12 members are the nominated members, sir. 12 members are the nominated members, sir. Nominated members. Total minimum Rajya Sabha members are 238 members, sir. 238 members, sir. 238 members, sir. Next one, our Indian government, sir. organs of the government, sir. Organs of the government. The organs of the government has the three types, sir. The organs of the government has the three types, sir. Number one, legislative, sir. Number two, the executive, sir. Number three, judiciary, sir. Number three, judiciary, sir. First one has the first one, legislative, sir. Legislative means what? Legislative means making law and formal law, and the making, it has the laws making, and so many of the issues and decisions also making in this legislative. Executive, second one has the executive, sir. Second one has the executive. Second one has the executive. Executive means what? Executive means, sir, executive means it has implemented to the laws. It has implemented to the laws, sir. It has implemented to the laws, sir, in our Indian Parliament. Next one has the third one has the judiciary, sir. Next one has the third one has the judiciary. Judiciary means what? Judiciary means courts, sir. Courts. They have three types of the courts is there in our Indian Constitution, sir, as provided, sir. Three courts. What are their three courts? First one are national wise or total India wise. The number one court is the Supreme Court, sir. Number one is the Supreme Court, sir. Number two is the state wise, sir. State wise has the High Court, sir. Number one has the Supreme Court, sir, and the state wise the High Court, sir, and the local wise or district wise has the district courts, sir. District courts, sir. These are common to the in judiciary, sir. All laws have followed the judiciary, sir. Next has the, I can explain two governments, sir, in our India. Our Indian Constitution has the three governments, sir. What are they? First one has the central government. Second one has the state government. Third one has the local government, sir. These all has the
Sir.
state government.